So after Boost Pro completes downloading all the various libraries, it'll start extracting them into the folder you chose. Okay, finally done. So I'll just closing here. If you were to look at the folder where I put everything in, so this is where I put it. So if I have to hover my mouse, there's about 1.21 gigabytes of stuff in there. So just go in and well, this is where I put it. Okay, so the last thing to install is CMake, so we just run that. Okay, default is fine. Okay, again, choose the directory where you want to put it and install. So this one is not as big on me. It's just an exe file. So that's finished. And again, to confirm, let me just bring this up here. Here it is. So yeah, there it is. CMake 2.8. Okay, that's about it for part 1. Thanks for listening.